how to sign up to DoorDash driver. So if you want to sign up to your DoorDash driver, then first you need to open up your browser and you need to simply search for DoorDash driver sign up. And here you need to go with the first option, which is DoorDash driver. And you just need to simply go with sign up, which is on the upper right on the website. And you need to enter your postal code. So enter your postal code and then go with next. And after entering your postal code, you need to enter your email address and then your country code. So you will have 4 country codes right here. You can simply choose the country code and then enter your mobile number. And once you enter your email and mobile number, you need to go with continue. And after entering your email and your phone number, you just need to simply enter your personal address. So you just need to simply go with continue and it will take you to the next page where you need to enter your legal first name, your middle name, and your last name. And you can continue. And after that, it will ask you your vehicle detail. So you just need to simply enter your vehicle type, the make, model, and color of your vehicle, and then go with continue again. And after entering your vehicle details, you need to scan your driver's license. So you just need to simply take your driver's license and scan it, and again click on continue. And after that, it will ask you to take a photo of yourself. So you just need to simply continue with the photo and take a photo. And you need to enter the OTP or the code that you've received on your mobile number or your email address, and you need to check your details again. And after you've completed your background check, you need to add your bank account. Once you've added your bank account, then your account will be signed up. That's how you can create your DoorDash driver account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.